Hi guys, in this video we are going to be checking out the best garden kneeler for home use you can buy right now. We made this list based on our personal opinion and hours of research, and we have listed them based on type of features and price. We have included options for every type of user, so whether you are looking for a best budget. If you want more information and updated pricing on the product mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description below. So let's get started with video. Number 1. Ohuhu garden kneeler and seat with 2 tool pouches. Ohuhu garden kneeler and seat with 2 bonus tool pouches come in the form of garden seats or garden kneelers. It consists of 2 stable legs that make it extremely durable to carry heavy weights up to 68 kg. It has a very simple but functional design. There is also a storage pouch on the side of the legs where it is possible for you to keep your gardening tools. The product measures 22.83 by 11.02 by 19.29 inches. It is a multifunctional product that can easily be folded to carry to different places. It is extremely lightweight and very easy to use. The product, due to its stable base, you can rest assured about the comfort level and sturdiness provided by this product. This makes it one of the most reliable garden kneelers in our country. Browse your perfect gardening tool to enjoy gardening without pain and dirt. Comes in handy for extra seating. Foldable design for easy storage and portability. Consists of a bonus tool kit bag for garden tools. Contains extra thick soft EVA pad. Comes with 2 complementary garden tool pouches which are easy to strap onto the handles. Has high quality sturdy steel. Can take a maximum weight of up to 150 kg. Cons: the kneeler is not rigid when you put weight on it. Number 2. Garden kneeler and seat. Protects your knees. The Obsotec garden kneeler and seat is one of our favorite garden kneelers with handles. It's easily convertible and can be used as a kneeling pad or a seat. It comes in green or pink, depending on how much you want to blend in with your surroundings. If you're using it as a kneeler, the soft foam padding provides great comfort and support for your knees. The metallic frame makes it safe and easy to raise or lower yourself from the ground. You won't have to put any extra pressure on your wrists or back trying to clamber up. To use it as a seat, simply flip the frame over so the padding is on top. This is perfect for when you need a rest or a cup of tea after a long day's work. When you're not using it, the frame folds down for easy storage. Despite its strength, it's lightweight enough to carry around with you. This kneeler comes with a pair of gloves and a tool pouch where you can safely store your spade or fork when you're not using it. If you've ever lost or have forgotten to bring in a tool you put down while working, you'll know why we love this addition so much. Because of its light frame, we won't recommend it for gardeners with a big build as it might not support your weight. Browse. Can be folded flat for easy storage and portability. Includes a tool pouch and gardening gloves. Cons: not for heavy folks. Number 3. TomCare upgraded garden kneeler seat. The TomCare garden kneeler is another foldable garden seat and kneeler. It is constructed from both steel and plastic. The steel legs make it sturdy enough to handle up to 330 pounds of weight without folding. The seating pad features EVA construction. You can easily unfold this seat when you want to use it. It is lightweight so you can easily move it around from place to place. After you are done using it, you can easily fold it. The foldable design means it does not take up too much space in storage. This garden kneeler comes with 2 removable pouches, 1 on each side. The pouches are large and can fit a lot of your tools. The kneeler pad is raised. This way you do not have to strain when kneeling. The steel legs can be used as handles when you need to stand up. Browse. Raised kneeling pad reduces knee strain when kneeling. Removable side pouches make it easy to store tools. EVA pad is comfortable to sit on and kneel on. Foldable design makes it easy to set up and to store. Can handle large weights without folding. Cons: plastic frames can crack when handling large weights. Number 4. Ohuhu upgraded garden kneeler and seat. The Ohuhu garden kneeler is a foldable garden seat that you can easily unfold to use. It is pre-assembled, so you only need to unfold it before using it. It is made from a combination of steel and plastic. This makes it able to handle up to 330 pounds of weight without folding. The kneeling pad on this garden seat is elevated. This makes it easy for you to reach low-lying plants with ease. It also doubles up as a seat when you flip it over. The seat kneeling pad features EVA construction. This makes it comfortable to lean on. You can also use the steel legs as support when you need to get up. This garden kneeler comes with a pouch that you can attach to the steel handles. This way you can have your small tools within easy reach. When you want to put it away, you just fold up the stool and carry it inside. Pros. Foldable design makes it easy to set up and store. It handles up to 330 pounds of weight easily without folding. EVA pad is comfortable to sit on and kneel on. The knee pad is elevated to keep you from straining. Extra pouches keep your small tools within easy reach. Cons. The kneeling pad can fold when bigger people use it. Number 5. SONGMICS Garden Kneeler Seat. With upgraded, the SONGMICS Garden Kneeler comes with plenty of great features that customers will love. It is a foldable product, so you will have an easy time storing or carrying it around your home. Its arm bars are designed to offer ample support while you are leaning or getting off the bench. The item is also very lightweight, which is helpful for those who may not carry heavier items around. It is less than 3 pounds. But still boasts a very impressive weight capacity of over 300 pounds. The SONGMICS Garden Kneeler fulfills a dual purpose. It can be used as a garden kneeling bench, but you can also flip it around and use it as a cushioned kneeling seat, depending on your preferences or the gardening work you must complete. Pros. Very durable design that will last you years. Easy to store and carry since it is a foldable product. With a 2.5 pound weight, the item is simple to move around without hurting your arms. The 330 pound weight capacity means heavier individuals can use this product with no worries. Cons. The storage pouch is very small and items can easily fall out. Not the most practical part of the design. Alright guys, that's all for now. If you enjoyed this video, please go ahead and leave a like, comment and make sure to hit that subscribe button and enable your notification bell icon to get the latest videos of our channel. Be sure to check out the description for links to find the most updated pricing on all the products mentioned in this video.